Opening another MiniVerse, Make It Mini Foods. Go ahead and pick one, Jackson.
This one.
All right.
I'm lucky about it.
This is Cafe Series 1. All right, have all the wrappers off. So let's see what we got.
I'm gonna open the bag.
Feels like there's ice in there. It's another drink.
I'm picking the resin
Ooh, I
bag.
think it's a Boba one.
I'm picking the resin bag.
We have a dome, so there's Boba. We have the strawberry Boba, so the question is, do we get a different one or not?
I'm grabbing the Boba open.
Okay, what color's the Boba?
Pink.
Pink. Is it strawberry or is it ube? That's just regular Boba. Gotta find the resin.
This is the resin.
Yeah, what does it say on it? There's some ice.
Pumpkin
Feels like an
chocolate.
apple on it.
No, it's a peach. That's a new one. So it says to add the Boba first. Cute little package. Should we add all of it?
No.
No?
Hey, I don't know, maybe?
A little bit more?
Yeah,
do we
stop
do?
now.
We'll see that. Then we'll add our ice.
Six. It's a couple. No, don't add it all.
Don't add it all.
What do you mean the ice will melt?
Yeah, some of the ice you can't see after you put the boba in. So that's what we have it looking like now. And then we're going to put this on top.
Resin.
And it will kind of work its way to the bottom, but it can take a while. You can use the straw to push it down. That's what I did with the last one. Really, I guess you could kind of layer it if you wanted to. You can see it's already running down the side. There's a bubble there that you can pop. I'll just give it a minute. Be patient. Okay, so just after a few minutes, it did work its way in there. It kind of tapped on the glass and stuff. So let's put the straw in. Jackson, do you want to do that?
Yes.
Here, should we put the lid on probably first?
Yeah. I think that's a good
I
idea.
wonder if I should put more in there on top.
No.
Yeah, maybe just a little.
Maybe just a little bit.
To seal it so that it sticks to the lid.
A little bit good.
Of course, I had the bottle sitting upright for a while, so there we go. See if we got any more in there, just a little bit. Kind of put it around the edge there. That looks good. Put the dome on, get the straw. There we go. Stick it in the middle. All right, I'll try to
Shimmy it.
shimmy it down there, yeah. That looks pretty good. Now let's go ahead and put it in the sun. Here's what it looks like all finished. The boba did move around a bit when I jabbed the straw through there, but I think it's cute. I wish it was a little bit more peachy, but either way, love boba, love this one. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.